What's going on, everybody? John here with Hendrix Racing. I was making this video to sort of go over my experience from Jennings yesterday on the 10th of January. Some things happened that I've never experienced before, but were really exciting for me. So the first one would be that I was actually able to catch people while we were doing laps. I was able to catch up to people, and then I was able to maintain my distance from them, whether it was close or far. I got to decide how close I was to them. I've never been able to do that before. I was always getting passed. So with all of this weight loss, I've noticed that I was able to do a handful of things that I haven't been able to do before, and sort of deciding distances was one of them, which I thought was very interesting. The other thing was being able to pass people. I've never been able to pass anybody before. Again, because of my weight and everything, the bike just didn't move or have the power to move as it did, or as it does, I guess I should say. So I found that very, very interesting, and a new problem that I had to figure out. I had to figure out when to pass, how to pass, and all that stuff. I also knocked off about 10 seconds from my lap times, which was, to me, drastically impressive. And I contribute all of that to weight loss and cardio. I've drastically improved my cardio, and I believe that has drastically helped me to where I'm not as exhausted during the sessions, or as soon as I would have been during my sessions. I definitely look forward to dropping more lap times and experiencing more passing, more not getting passed. So as the 2026 WERA series comes into play, as we try and actually fight for 3 regional championships, again, I look forward to not being passed for one, and at least one of my goals this year would be to at least not have the pack leave me. I would be absolutely happy being able to just hang with everybody and not get left in the dust, so to speak, and be a continuous back marker, as they would call me, which I was fine with. I was just happy to be there. But now that I've lost all this weight and everything, and I'm able to use more of the bike's power because of that weight loss, I actually look forward to being able to keep up with everybody, and maybe at least having some of my own battles in the back of the pack, which I would be fine with. I think that would be exciting. So the first race is in Little Talladega in February. I will list the dates down below. If you're in the area, come out, say hey. I look forward to seeing all my buddies out there. It's been 4 years since I've seen you guys. Can't wait to get out there, rub elbows, and see what happens. So yeah, that's just a quick little rundown of the Jennings weekend. Had a fantastic time. Got to see Jonathan Farmer, who owns Vo2 Leathers, which is who I've gone with for my leather company as of right now for the foreseeable future, and I'm happy with them. I was able to drag knees and stuff, which is, for me, impressive, because I've never been, rarely have ever been able to do that. But again, I look forward to this 2026 WERA season with Woolsey Morcom on board, White's Repair and Roadshark Powersports, based out of Fernandina. And yeah, here's to a 2026 WERA season, and hopefully some WERA championships. So I just can't wait to see everybody and have a blast, and let's go rub some elbows together.